Hi, welcome to MathLife TV. Ngayon po ang video ito aking tuturo sa inyo, logarithmic function. Tapusin nyo lamang ang video ito hanggang sa dulo upang kayo ay mayroong matutunan. Ngayon po, ating munang alamin ano po yung logarithm function. A function that gives the exponents to which a fixed number that is base must be raised to produce a given number. Okay? That's called argument. Example, itong log of x with the base b. Okay? So itong base, ito yung nasa baba, yung maliit na variable, represent yan na number. Then yung x, ito yung argument. Itong x na tinatawag na argument, ito yung product o resulta ng exponent. Okay? So, in general, from the exponential form, that is y equals a raised to x is equivalent to x equals log of y with the base of a. That is a logarithmic form. Example, ito ang ating mga given. Convert between exponential to logarithmic form. Okay, so, ang given natin sa number 1, 2 raised to second power equals 4. Ang kanyang logarithmic form, ito ay log of 4 with the base of 2 equals 2. Okay? So, yan po ang kanyang logarithmic form. So, yan po ang kanyang equivalent. Next, number 2, 10 cubes equals 1,000. Ang kanyang logarithmic form, ito ay log of 1,000 with the base of 10 equals 3. Next, number 3, 25 raised to 1 half equals 5. Ang kanyang logarithmic form, log of 5 with the base of 25 equals 1 half. Last, number 4, 4 raised to x equals 16. Ang kanyang logarithmic form, log of 16 with the base of 4 equals x. Ngayon, paano naman i-convert kapag ang given niya ay logarithmic form to exponential form? Ngayon, paano naman kung logarithmic form, convert natin to exponential form? Ito po ang pag-writing ng logarithmic form to exponential form. So, yung log of x with the base b is equals to y. Kumbaga, yung b raised to y is equals to x. Yan po ang pagsulat ng exponential form. Example, ganitong given. Log of 9 with the base of 3 equals 2. So, ang kanyang exponential form dito ay 3 raised to second power or 3 squared equals 9. Another example, log of 8 with the base of 2 equals 3. Ang exponential form niya dito ay 2 raised to third power or cubes equals 8. So yan po ang kanyang exponential form. Ngayon po, kung mayroon kang natutunan, pakipindot naman po yung like. At kung bago ka pa lamang sa akin channel, pakipindot naman ang subscribe, maging ang bell notification upang ikaw ay laging naka-update sa mga bagong video na i-upload sa akin channel na ito. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunood.